It is another beautiful afternoon. I'm Joseph Chimba, the Grassroots Media President, broadcasting live in the Republic of Zambia. Update the development programs, the program that are hitting they are hitting the screens everywhere where you are. This beautiful afternoon, I want to talk about what has happened and the information that we are getting live and clear. I want to talk about what we are seeing on social media about Garin Combo and what we are able to see with our naked eyes, what is happening with the police. 2021, 2020, 2019, the Zambian people, they complained about the police brutality. That's what they said. And the UPND, they were complaining about the police, the way they were reacting towards them. And today, this morning, we witnessed what happened there. Eko bachira sukusaba ntukuba posa motoka kwati limbilinkoko. That picture is showing the reason why the Patriotic Front was kicked out by the Zambian people. The Zambian people, they don't like to see their fellow, their loved ones, to be treated in such a manner. And, Zambians, they don't want to see the police wasting taxpayers' money over one person. You saw what happened this morning. Brian Munduvire, they are sparring candidate for presidential sparring president. Brian Munduvire was summoned by the SEC. And what we saw there, we had seen a lot of police officers there. And for you to transport police officers from wherever they were coming from, you use taxpayers' money over one person. Why wasting taxpayers' money? Buying fuel, and we have shortages of diesel in this country. Because you as UPND government, you are not serious. Why calling Brian Munduvire with such numbers of police? Elo kulasukusa abantu muni muma cruiser in such a manner. It is not good as a country. And as a police, I want to advise you. You have to be very careful the way you handle the issues of politics. The people that you can mistreat today, tomorrow they are going to be in the arms of government. What are you going to do? We have seen Zambia has got history. We saw what happened in MMD. The MMD were using the police. PF was using the police. Today, the UPND were using the police. And I can assure you, the Zambian people, they see the police, the way they react. That's how the Zambian people, they react when it comes for voting. So, we saw what is happening we are able to see with our naked eyes what is happening in this country. Icharo, we see the indicators. Zambian people, they complained during the MMD and PF, police, the way you are treating the opposition, you are not treating them well. And I can assure you, you as a police officer understand your working is more than 20 years, more than 15 years. But the politician that you support and protect them, it's 5 years, 10 years. So you need to look at your family as a police officer. But police, but judge, never be used by politicians. The politicians, they come and go. They will use you. And then they make a lot of money. They make a lot of money. When you as a police officer, you are struggling. Even just to buy a car, you are struggling. The people you are throwing in the cars are going to be your bosses tomorrow. You should always think that you are a husband, you are a wife, and you are planning to marry as a police officer. You have got a future to write on your books. You have got a future to write on your books. You have to make sure you do the right things. Musarua ripesa mbaula ruka waisa pamuru. The same way, ba police mwaikete Brian Munduvire kwa airport, mwamtuana kwa Ibex. And today, mwamtuana someone kwa sisi. You never know what God can do. The same person you are putting sales, the same person you are taking kwa sisi, tomorrow it might be your boss. What are you going to say, Madam SEC? What are you going to say, Madam Police Officer? when you are doing your politics, when you are performing your duties, work accordingly, because you never know what tomorrow brings. Tatu reform kese mkuleke nchito mlandu wansoni aina alari kafie nchito kariba brani munduwe na aleba tami street na alari kafie nchito pantu makebi zuru na emi tami street na alari kafie nchito pantu na alista mi street ba KBF pantu na alista mi street Fred Membe. These are politicians, and I can assure you these people are big fishes. And we are talking as grassroots media, we are talking to everyone to make sure that Fred Membe, Karaba, by KBF, all these opposing political parties, before we go for nomination, they come together and work as a team to defeat and remove this failed government of President Hakainde Hichilema. So don't put your strength in the politician. As a police officer, you the people that are working in the government, don't ever put your strength in the politician. But politician ibala chinja. Any time, any minute, they are like chameleons. So me as grassroots media, I'm advising you, my sisters, who are the police officers. I'm advising you. Inansangwa na politician yaba. Ela politician inga kupata. Pako tiafyasa kwerere. Katuisho watu ingalanda. So that to kwebati ba police na papata. The behavior this morning was not okay. Kula senda abantu kula baposa mumotoka. You are not helping the image of President Hakainde Hichilema. Hakainde Hichilema, when he was in opposition, he was complaining about police brutality. And we as grassroots media, I'm just reminding you as police officers, because today you are in that office, you don't know what tomorrow is. The problem with you, the police officer, you put your strength in a politician that can change tomorrow. There's some people, we are in a plan ikata, but Hakainde Hichilema to ampera my instrument of power. What are you going to do? You have got a family. You have got a wife. You have got a husband. Look at your salaries. The people that are helping you are the same politicians. So that try miranda go ba police, pako ba chama salaries yenu. Yale bako bwino ba police mulechula. How many police officers are driving? Ba police abengi mwenda na finani na finefima moto kafia ba police. Most of you the police officers, you are not driving. That's why we are struggling. Because most of you the police officers, you have continued impiasho mule forashi nono. And the same bena brand mundibire, bena makebi zuru, the same people that you are planning to arrest. Politics is not permanent, buana. I want to advise you. We say no to police brutality. We are not interested. But police, na imani sometimes mnafako kustaji campaign ubuteko. Because some the people are not going to allow. You are the frontliners. Your work is to maintain law and order, not to be throwing people in the cars like they are chickens. No. So our police to a papata. You can arrest us, you can do whatever, you can throw us in the cells, but I can assure you, the power of a politician. Tomorrow we are going to be in government. What are you going to do? I can assure you, wherever you work under any government department, I can assure you, we are changing the government. No matter what is going to happen, abena Zambia balasa la political party na leader umo no kumuvota. But Zambian people are tired. Zambian people, they never voted for you Hakainde Hichilema and your government to be arresting people. Kuna batwala kudeki, kuna sendaba na bakwa rungu former president tukubachusha, kusende chitumbi kuchibika 9 months to 10 months no shika. Zambian people are tired. They are just waiting to vote. And what is happening in UPND? The same nonsense that was happening in PF. The same way people are complaining about yo kulima cadres, yo kulima police, but let's say so. Yo, the same nonsense. Zambian people, when they voted, you the UPND, you are painting by PF to be black. And today you are in government. Zambian people are very disappointed the way you have run the government. And I can assure you, UPND, police bonse, I can assure you, we are changing the government. Care for your children, by police. If you have got a relative who is a police officer, prisoner, papa, daba police, we are changing the government. And if we are changing the government, what are you going to do, Madam Police Officer? If you are looking on the other side of protecting only those who are in government, we don't come and regret that to require by frustrations that to require. We want to come in and begin to revamp. We need to go back where we came from, one Zambia, one nation. We don't want this country to be divided because of politics. We don't want to promote tribalism in any office. Inekale nambo kulanda. Ili tulesa mkuwa shama office yonse aya government na ZESCO. We are going to make sure kulanda ukweba we wash all the offices. We are coming to stop the nonsense of tribalism. Every office, all of you, you are equal. You are one Zambia, one nation. Your tribe, you are a Zambian. Simple. So if you are working in the government, things in place. But civil servant, I want to assure you, we are changing the government this year. Wherever you are watching, whether Kainde Ichile Mabonche Mingalato, don't worry about Easy Mingalato. We are taken 3 steps ahead under Easy Mingalato. The UPND Mingalato, we have taken 3 steps ahead. 3 steps ahead. And the same way I was talking about Gadin Kombama Deza Kunuma. The information that I'm having, Gadin Komba has been dropped as national campaign whatever in UPND, and I want to advise the UPND. The nonsense that you are entertaining, kula leta bena chabinga, mwastasa drain abantu, aba UPND, you are going to regret very soon, and you are going to cry. Mule leta bena chabinga, mule leta ababa ichabena mayor wakuna nibada aba ichi mayor ulia, mule leta bena Father Frankie Bwalia. Ema isa mkudila aba UPND aba chule chipande ama sukupamitwe. And I can assure you, by 10 hours, past 18th August, Ishamupona. Gadin Kombauria, don't undermine him. Inana alimutemwa sana. Because you see, Talandauria, alikuwa leadership ya mano. But the way has been mistreated. Ewa Rulech Pancha UPND was fired. And nobody is talking about him as UPND members. I can assure you, next year we are changing the government. Me, I talk about all the political parties. UPND is a political party. And also you have heard what Akainde Ichilema is saying. Ngande mieba tamumfwa. Akainde Ichilema randa lelo kwebati. If you are coming in politics as a game, politics is a serious business. Akainde sees politics as business. What is business? You need to make profit. So Akainde Ichilema is telling you, the Zambian people, that politics is a serious business. Now let me ever. When I went to UPND secretariat before Akainde Ichilema tell about president, I remember principal politics is a serious business. What is business? It is profit and loss. So when you enter in politics and you take it as business, my brother, you cannot run a country when you start talking about politics as serious business, because whatever you are going to do to be business. That's why the UPND failed to work, because when they came into government, they looked at politics as business, and we as leaders, we look at politics as politics is to talk about issues that are affecting the people, not to make profit out of politics. That's why they are able to send in drama to China by mistake, because that is business. They are able to sell sweet light amatraki baikata, but police baikata, sweet light yaluba. We don't, because it's business. We are able to see Pageke International Airport Padesa ngwefya bupuba. Indalama nama dollar, nama gold yalesangwa kopa. We are able to see that nonsense. Politics is to look after our people, not to take it as serious business. Zambian people, I want to advise you, this year is your final year to make a decision. And I've seen what Busumari, if I'm not mistaken, about Quest for Balanda. We don't want Kubika, a nomination same day, about president, now about member of parliament, that will fire. Traffic if I'm the but president, what a day, Naba member of parliament, day. Yama nomination. Don't mix them, because Mukalete Chimfunganya Mumcharo. Zambian people say no to Mingalato for Akainde Ichilema. Akainde Ichilema and the UPND, they are doing Mingalato for everything. Look at the way they have destabilized our opposition. Akainde Ichilema and this government. They want to go in general election with Ichipani, which is not strong. They are fighting everyone. They have fought all opposite political parties leaders. Because all what they want to go and oppose in the 2026 general election. And I want to advise opposing political parties. The best way to beat this failed project UPND by opposition is to come together and work as a team. Don't go separate ways. Once you go separate ways, you are not putting the Zambian people first. Leadership, we put the Zambian people first. But civil servant, but marketeer, but drug driver, miner, we need to talk on their behalf. So about opposition, this is not a time to be divided. If you want to create a one-party state, if you want to create a dictatorship in this country, go separate ways. And at the end of the day, you are going to cry. Once you lose power this year, we are going to cry. That's why I call upon President KBF, I call upon President Brani Mundivire, President Makebi Zuru, President Hari Karaba, and President Fred Membe. This is not the time to go in separate ways. Let us put the interests of our people so that we can protect the future of our people. Zambian people are living in poverty because of the failed leadership of President Hakainde Hichilema. Hakainde Hichilema, when he was in opposition, alebe po fya tubunga bukachipa. Fyo ikachipa, malaki yakachipa. Fyo in the opposite direction. Zambian people, this is our country. You make a mistake, you vote for UPND. Never come and cry next year. Ichisungu chilando kwebati once beaten twice shy muchibe mbati akakunyerere takarabwa naba minyera amaraiti ya load shedding bari fiwo yali dura ubunga bwali dura once beaten twice shy akakunyerere takarabwa. Zambian people wake up and speak one language of changing the government. This government is a government of the rich people. We want a government for the poor people. Aba kushangomba baleria, aba kukatete baleria, aba kukasama baleria, aba kumonze baleria. We need a government that is going to reduce the nonsense of high prices of fuel. Abena Zambia balechula. There is shortages of fuel because this government, they never planned. They were doing their mingalato. I told you, Hakainde Hichilema, your duty is to do mingalato to reduce fuel, not to mingalato like a tabado. You are going to be a failed president. Hakainde Hichilema and this failed government, they did what they can. Instead of fighting for economy, they were fighting the opposition. Zambian people, you are the bosses of this country. You are the game changer of this country. Vote wisely. Bring in people that are going to develop this country. Not the government. Zambian people are complaining. Zambian people have been reduced to be beggars. And we are not going to allow that. We need to find a government that is going to protect our natural resources. We need a government that is going to preach togetherness. We need a government that is going to fight corruption in this country. We need a government that is going to fight poverty in this country. We need a government that's going to create jobs for the youth. We need a government that is serious. Politics is a serious game where you need to develop a nation. Hakainde Hichilema is saying politics is business. If you enter in politics as business, how are we going to serve the poor people of this country? Zambian people, time has come to change the government. I can assure you, 2026 we are changing the government. Whether Hakainde Hichilema, Bari, Soti Sana, we are throwing salt in the lake. We are throwing salt in the lake. We are going to throw salt in the Kafue so that Zambian people, they can benefit. Abela Zambia tabakarie salt. Abela Zambia tabakarie omuchere. Hakainde Hichilema. Tetuleke abela Zambia bale omuchere. Tuwali omuchere kwa bure nama. Kutuwali omuchere kwa bure munani. Hakainde Hichilema. Stop what you are doing. Can you improve the economy? HH, can you look at what is happening? Fuel Aitula. Hakainde Hichilema. There is no diesel in this country. Stop your mingalato of taking people to SCC. But police, understand, never be used by politicians. You are our brothers and sisters. We want to see you. When we change the government this year, we want to increase your salaries so that you can benefit out of a new change of a government. So you the civil servants, look around and check come become a voters card. This year, we are changing the government. You the people of Chingola, Tatule Angara, Tatule Chensa, we are not going to allow you the Zambian people to suffer. We are not going to allow ukula ibechu mecha charo bakabwana basakala nyongo ba politician bala ibenda ba charo bala tumenda by Mr. China. When you the people of Chingola, when you the people of Copper Belt, Central Province who are suffering, we are not going to allow. So we as grassroots media, we are devising. Brani Mundubire, be stronger. This is a game. KBF, this is a game. You need to come together. akainde ngale bonfye mingalato na mubonfye ni mingalato milatina akainde ichilema is not a lion. You tell akainde ichilema is not a boss. Zambian people are the bosses. When you become the president, you have to be the servant of the people of Mongo. Akainde Ichilema, you have to be the servant of the people of Zambia. Now, you Akainde Ichilema, you are saying politics is a business. You and your people, you are doing business, eh? Then our people are living in poverty. Zambian people, we are changing the government. We want to see development in the corners of this country. We want to see mwabasha kwa attention to our youth. Mwambio kwa torupia. We want to see our teacher. You the teachers. Tunafua mukane ya buino. Mukane fuala. We don't want to see a civil servant to be a beggar. Tunafua kule tobu teko. Umukabuela. Umukesa mumfilo ulute. Uruse. Kumipela dead swap. You the civil servants. Na mchula. Na mchula pa chula. You the Zambian people you have suffered. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We are not going to allow you, the Zambian people, to suffer. Zambia is a rich country, but look what is happening in this country. There is too much nonsense. The people that we put in leadership are not serious. Zambia is still a beggar. Look what Akainde Ichilema. No buteko bwako. Bali Kongole ndarama. When we ask them, indamesho mwa Kongola mwa twala kwisa. Chimwe ndarama bali tuma by mise ku China. Ngamwawe pusha. Indamesho mwa Kongola. You can't compare. Akainde Ichilema's government impia ba Kongola muri 5 years. Nasho ba PF ba Kongwele muri 10 years. Ba UPN ba Kongole shingi. Impia ba twala kwisa. Baka shechano chino. Baka this country will be destitute one day because these people are not serious. When Akainde Kongole ndala mano buteko bwakwe. Indala ba twala kwisa. Zambian people, you are still beggars. Look what ba PF ba Kongole ndala ma. Ba di pangama over bridge. Ba di panga Patara. Ba di pangama bridges. But look what Akainde Ichilema's government, they have brought poverty in this country. And as grassroots media, I'm just advising you, my brothers, wherever you are, you have to think positively. To change a government is teamwork. We need to work together. We need Edgar one term. Mwamufumi hapo. Barupia banda batekele. Almost 3 years, almost one term. Mwamufumi hapo. Next is Akainde Ichilema and UPND. This working together, it's not about the grassroots media. It's not about because you support UPND wafala t-shirt already. Wafala akatenge. Don't vote because of a t-shirt. Don't vote because of akatenge. You need to vote to bring in people. Abakesa bwesha obunga, uli wosaka sekeremo. Abakwesha bwesha fuel, wosaka sekeremo. Abakesa ta creating chitokuli youth, wosaka sekeremo. That is a vision we are looking up to. Not a government of Karakata, government of liars. We want to but civil servant mule umfwa. Na mchula. Vote wisely. We are not group of jokers like UPND. UPND is a group of jokers. Aba kweba tibabu kolitero. Imi tofore. Umuntu ni vice president aranda timi tofore. Muno mucharo. Mwadi baba na mayo. Abasha kwa techa abu pecha kuibinta. Ero aranda timi tofore. But abashimita. Bara forashan. We want to see a government that is going to respect our women. You cannot promote sexual feelings. Kumandu. Papa tuwafore. Imi tofore. We are not going to allow that nonsense. That demonic imi tofore, we are stopping it. Zambian people must be respected regardless of their sex. That's demonic. We are going to stop that nonsense. We are not going to allow increase in order to reduce. That nonsense must be stopped. Learning government is very important to look after the poor. Subsidies are coming back. Fuel to the Zambia is too poor. If America, they can have subsidies on their products. What about this poor country? Where are you, the Zambian people? 60% are poor. So 2026, we are changing the government. Whether you like it or not, whether one intem or mutawantem, I don't care. I care for the Zambian people, for those poor civil servants. Your tears, you are going to wipe your tears in a ballot box. No nonsense this year. Make sure you protect the votes. You make a mistake, you bring this failed government, you are gone, you are finished. This is a failed government. If you are doubting, look at where you are. If you are failing to buy clothes because there is no money, we are not going to allow a failed government to continue running the affairs of this country. You tell the Hakainde Hichilema, you the Zambian people, we are retiring Hakainde Hichilema. Whether we are in Temwa, I'm saying we are retiring Hakainde Hichilema is going to be a former president. The office of the former president is waiting for HH. The office of the former president is waiting for Hakainde Hichilema. That will fire Amangaro. We need people who are serious to develop this country. This country needs infrastructure. This country needs hospitals. This country, we are behind. Look at Botswana. Look at South Africa. These countries are in Africa. Zambian people are beggars. We are not going to allow this nonsense. So wherever you are, you prepare to vote. Them to prepare to vote. We are changing the government. Serious. We don't want ministers who can be dozing in offices. That will fire Mangaro. When you enter in politics, you become a leader. You have to develop a nation. Okay, wherever you are, point what Hakainde Hichilema has done. Teach Hakainde Hichilema. What Hakainde Hichilema for the past 4 years and some months. Hakainde Hichilema disappointed us. Zambian people, they never employed Hakainde Hichilema. Ukula ikataba politician kula batola kuchere. Kula ikataba nango kula batola kumadeki. Tatule fire. Ubu teko na bufirwa. And when we say nabufirwa nabuya. So brothers and sisters, wherever you are, Hakainde Hichilema and the UPN, they don't care for this country. And I'm not ashamed. Hakainde does not care for this country. When he was in opposition, he was protesting. He was protesting. In his mind, he was to come and increase the fuel. Hakainde Hichilema was protesting. Ubunga 120 kwacha. In his mind, was the price 300 kwacha. Hakainde Hichilema has not apologized. Why has destroyed this country? Because most of you, the Zambian people, you fear Hakainde Hichilema. You fear UPND. These people are destroying this country. And if we continue fearing them, Zambia will be like Zimbabwe. The way Zimbabwe was, when Mugabe was there, are you going to manage to go and stay in the streets of other countries? Are you going to manage? Zambian people, when your leaders failed, it is important to remove them with love and respect. So we are returning Hakainde Hichilema, wherever you are watching, whether you are a police officer, wherever you are, you have never gone anywhere. I can assure you, wherever you are, Hakainde Hichilema has lost it. What has made Hakainde Hichilema to lose election is his lies. The greatest enemy of Hakainde Hichilema is his lies and poverty. What is going to kick out UPND, Hakainde Hichilema, is poverty and his lies. Zambians, you are Christians. Don't support the people who are liars. This UPND is a government of liars. They don't care for our country, and we are not going to allow that. So wherever you are watching, prepare that this year is a different year. It's a different politics of the game. 2026, Ndelando Kwebat Hakainde Hichilema kuya bebere. Tell your neighbor kuya bebere. In that office where you are complaining, if you are in government, you are complaining, we are coming to clean up the nonsense. All of you have been frustrated. Once we change the government, you are going back for work. Because we are coming to clean up the nonsense of tribalism. We are coming to clean up the nonsense of frustration. We are coming to stop the nonsense of high cost of living. Government ya kwa tamano, ya kwa toruse, taikata kuli fuel. You can't take fuel. He was talking about 12 kwacha. He has taken fuel more than me. It was even almost 5 kwacha. Does Hakainde Hichilema care? Because Hakainde Hichilema is a billionaire. Hakainde Hichilema is richer. He cannot think that in this country there are poor people. Hakainde Hichilema is a billionaire. And at the end of the day, is the one who is having subsidies. Fuel are they won't fare free. ale nwama milo ota free, ale kwele ndekesha free, ale lala moteo free. The rich man is the one who is enjoying. The poor people are suffering. We are changing the government. We need a government that is going to respect the poor people. We need a president who is going to respect the poor people, because the majority Zambian people are poor, and we need a leader who has got a heart for the poor. Not walikuwa tendarama, warunda fuel, warunda obunga, warunda maraiti, ayonga maraiti, iwaka india ichile maiwe, ule umfuayo mkambayo. Amaraiti ngo washita first month. First day of the month. Ela wasa ya poor. Ela wambo kushita second. Amaraiti yale pakwati. Bakabwana na baslesko imwe kali kutumpa imwe. What you are doing, you are not helping this country. You are stealing from the Zambian people. Bazesko imwe. Bazesko, stop stealing from our people. Mulaiva. Tetu muntu ashita marati ya 200 kwacha. Yafika pa 20. Yapo Amaraiti. Elo lombambo kushita ngashita 50 kwacha. Amaraiti. Can you stop stealing from the Zambian people? You have brought load shedding by stealing from the Zambian people. And I can assure you, Bazesko, what you are doing, that nonsense, you are decampaigning Hakainde Hichilema. You are Bazesko, what you are doing, you are stealing from our people. Zambians are complaining about it. Bazesko mulei Amaraiti. And everybody is quiet. Umuntu ngashita Amaraiti ya 300 kwacha. Nga ya papa 20. Amaraiti for mulei Mulei. You are stealing from our people. Zambian people are poor. And you abantu abengi. Tetu bakwali chokashita Amaraiti ya 400 kwacha. Alashita kwa Amaraiti mbea 200 kwacha. Amaraiti nga ya papa 20. You have become a slave. Nga ndebe pamukane. Zambian people, can you vote out this failed government? These people, they don't care. Zesko, you the people that are working in Zesko, you have decampaigned your president Hakainde Hichilema. You don't care. Muleiva. Lekani ukuvila bela Zambia. Amaraiti nga yapo washita Amaraiti ya 200. Nango ya 150 washita pa first days of the month. Elo wasa mbogu shita ama second, third. Ukalila. You are stealing from our people. Can you stop that nonsense of stealing from the poor people? Anyway, that's what I came to speak about. The real change is coming. The Samipale. We can that in Shalilanda. The Samipale.